live. Give me a minute. I'm setting up the stream for you guys. I hope everything's good. I'm streaming this on OBS. So, if it fails, just let me know on the comments. I got the gigabytes right there. So basically, hopefully the music's not too loud. I wanted to add some music. There you go. Okay, guys. So basically, I wanted to discuss in today's video what I did with my positions yesterday and what positions I'm holding today and why I'm holding them. Again, guys, as I say, I'm not a financial investor, financial advisor. All I'm here to do is show you my frame of thought, my framework on planning trades, making money in the cryptocurrency exchanges, and how you can apply my framework of thinking into your own thinking and then improve your trading. You know, it's that simple. You don't ask me for picks. You don't say, do you think this one's good? Because you may, if you want to ask for my opinion, okay, make an analysis yourself. I want to hear factual thought. Use the scientific method. That's what it's there for. You use the scientific method. What's up, Baja Blast, my dude? Use the scientific method and create, form a hypothesis and test your thesis with your own money. That's what you do here. Hold up, let me lower the music just so it's not outrageously loud for people. But yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna show you guys my two picks that I jumped into and why I did, so you can kind of understand why I understand the way I think. Okay. So here we go. Basically, I want to discuss one fucking thing that went supernova. BCD. I traded this last night, guys. I don't know if anyone saw this one. I hope you guys did. Anyone play this one last night? Anyone play BCD? This shit went fucking bananas. We caught it at like $30 and we thought this was like too high, and then it was going to 60. I jumped in at like 60 and sold. I think, let me see my trade history for this one. All right, hold up. I gotta sign into Binance again. Are you kidding me? Give me a minute. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Fuck. 1 second, guys. Okay, cool. So basically, if you guys saw this one went bananas, guys. It went to 20, almost a quarter of a Bitcoin, which is fucking gnarly. XRP is just stagnant, but we caught this at like 60 and we thought it was too high. I wish I bought in now knowing what happened. It's at 172, so you guys can see I would have made, I had like 30 coins at one point. You can see I traded this. I had like 30 coins at one point, BNT to BTC, filled 90. Oh no, that's a different pair. I don't know if it shows it. Anyway, I traded this one. It was crazy. It was nuts, guys. I don't know, but I'm over XRP, dude. They're just consolidating, guys. They're really just consolidating. You're not gonna get instant gains. Like, it ran like crazy. You have to understand that. Like, this is, and if you guys, well, that's why I trade. I don't invest as much in the markets right now. I have two swing trades, and I'll discuss those in a minute. But I want to show you guys the power of what's going on in this market. Like, BNT could have made you millions, okay? Or BCD and WCT or something like that could have made you like thousands of dollars in minutes, okay? Or, hours. Like, look, it was at, 400 Satoshis and then just kept going and going, and it's still going. And you know how you see, like, it's freezing my screen because it's going, there's so much volume. It's just a pump. I don't know what's going on with this one, but I just wanted to show you guys how like crazy this is. And if you guys were awake last night, you guys would have taken advantage of this. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. Look, it's like slowing down my computer. I can't even get it. But yo, don't disrespect Ripple. Your boy's repping. Your boy's repping right here. I still like Ripple. It's just a slow one. It's something you put 10% of your income in and you move on with your life and wait for it to keep going. So don't get too overzealous with yourself. WTC announced some shit with a Chinese company, a Chinese Chinese cell phone company. So basically what happened with that was last night something on Reddit came up saying yeah, they announced a partnership with this. I'll show you guys actually. They announced a partnership with some big time cell phone industry thing out there, and they went up. I'll show you. Walton coin. So it kind of reminds me of the Walton coin repost. Here it is. So this is what happened with the Chinese thing, and they announced this China mobile IoT announcement. It's crazy. So this thing went bananas, and then after this one, I don't know what the hell happened with BCD, and I really don't. I don't. I'm sure it's blowing up. Bitcoin Diamond. Oh, that's what it is. Fuck. I didn't know it was Bitcoin Diamond. You gotta be kidding me. That's why it ran? Alright, well, that was Bitcoin Diamond. I'm guessing that was a fork. But only on, wow, Binance record highs. So look at this. Every other exchange is fine, but Bitcoin, we gotta read some about this. So this is Bitcoin Diamond. I guess it just went public. And this thing, I want to find out how you can mine it, because I would love to mine some Bitcoin Diamond. But this thing shot up. I wish I knew it was Bitcoin Diamond, because then I would have held that. So you'd see, if you don't do your research, you can really lose out. So Bitcoin Diamond blew up yesterday, and once it was on Binance, it just started going crazy. Yeah, how do you know? Well, it was just a quick trade, man. When something's spiking like that and there's opportunity to make profit, if you go and hit Google and research that, you could lose out on, you know, $100 profit. My goal sometimes is not to strictly just invest. Sometimes I'll see something moving, okay, and if there's volume, I'll jump in, okay. I don't really need anything else besides that. Volume and following a pattern. I'm more of a pattern trader, not just look it up fundamental. I also do that, but Bitcoin Diamond, it just blew up out of nowhere, and I traded that yesterday and made a little bit of chip. WTC is something I knew of, but yeah, you're good shit calling me out on that, Jordan. It was just something that exploded, and I took advantage of it. Didn't make a ton of money off of it because it was scary, yeah. So my two picks for yeah, Jordan, it's crazy. There's a lot. EOS. Hopefully the stream is not getting shitty, because it's, dude, yeah, freaking OBS sucks. So EOS went crazy yesterday. EOS went fucking nuts. It went nuts yesterday, okay? And I knew it would happen because it consolidated so well. So if you guys see this, dude, it was just, we were up late at night. She was just drinking some coffee. We were up like hella late at night. And after I got back from the dispensary, I said, let me check Binance. And we saw this going up. I'm in a group chat, and we were like, oh shit, dude, this is flying. And we jumped in, and we made hella chip. What's up, Thomas? How are you, man? And then we have like a lot of these older coins moving, like Ethereum Classic. This one's been stagnant, but with the rise of Ethereum, this has been going up. And we have a lot of these dollar coins which are moving. And the thing about dollar coins, boys, is dollar coins move in dollars, not cents. So when you're playing like a dollar coin and you buy 100 shares, whatever the Bitcoin fraction of it, that's my position. Yeah, Tron is sketch, but it might run. The thing is like with these dollar coins, like Ethereum Classic, BCD, BTG, all these big coins, BNB, they run in dollars. They don't run in pennies. You'll make $1, $2, $3. You can scalp those moves, guys. And if you have 100 shares or 100 tokens, that's good money. $200, $200, $200, $200. Imagine how that adds up, and that percentage, that 20%, 30%. When you do that with the $5,000 instead of now $2,000, you'll make a ton of money. I hope this stream still looks good. It's saying it's good on mine, but OBS sucks anyway. But you can see BNB is looking good. This was my trade. It's consolidating right now. I look to take a position on that. So once that one shows some strength, I'll definitely jump in. I'm actually more interested in the chat with all of you. No offense. What are you trying to find? Pump and dumps? But basically the two cryptos that I'm in that I wanted to just update you guys on are IOTA and BNT. Reason why, here it is. IOTA is one that had rumors with working with Microsoft. Obviously they're not, but that really destroyed the upward momentum of this, and I think it has a lot of room to go. Reason be it is because it is consolidating very well, and it's starting an upward trend. Look at the daily. It looks like it's just going to break out. Yeah, I'm looking into Electronium. Yeah, BNB is just, you got to wait for that one to move. You really have to wait for that one to move, so don't get too overzealous. Yeah, dude, it might be lagging because OBS is ass. I'm sorry if that's happening. I just wanted to quickly update all of those subscribers. I'm in IOTA. You can see the daily chart. It looks perfect. Higher lows, and that's why I'm in. MACD's crossing over. It looks strong, and I'm looking for a break above 3,000 to go to 4, maybe 5,000. We'll see. Next coin I'm in. No, I got the same. It's him, I guess. Yeah, Rico, my bad. It's OBS. It's not me. It's fucking OBS's shitty server. Like, I can't do anything about it. It just keeps moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh, come on, man. Hold up, guys. Is it still working? Alright, guys. Tell me if it's still working. I'm trying. The gigabytes a second are dropping and coming back up. Alright, it should be good now. It should be good. Cool, cool, cool. It's working now. Cool, cool. Alright, the other one that I have here is the Girl Scout cookie edibles. Hey, bro, I got some nice kush. Got a little pre-roll right here. We'll get some goodness later. Anyway, guys, so I got IOTA. Basic chart pattern. Yeah, dude, don't call yourself an idiot. It's okay. IOTA, look at this chart pattern. This is great. I don't want you guys to say, oh, I missed the run on this coin, this coin, this coin. IOTA is a very strong coin in the top 10. It's due for a run. It's due for some hype. And I think it's going to be good, guys. So that's why I'm waiting for IOTA to run. I put some of my money in there, about half my account. Once this runs, it's going to fucking run. I'm telling you guys this because it's $4. It could run to $8 and eventually try to push the top 5. It's a very strong coin. What they have a lot going for them, and it's forming a very strong bullish pattern with the MACD crossing over to indicate an upward trend. So that's why I'm in IOTA. The other coin I'm in is BNT. Reason why? It's because it's an exchange coin. With these exchange coins, guys, is that they keep going up and up and up. We've seen this with Binance coin. We've seen this with Qcoin. We're seeing this with Robinhood and now BNT. BNT's been running since last month, okay, guys? It's been a great investment. If you guys, this is what you want to see if you're investing in cryptocurrency. These type of moves where they just go up, pull back, up, pull back. And you can see the pattern is so easy to read, guys. It's not even funny. Look, so I bought in right here into this candle. And if it pushes over the high, it's good. CEF, exchange coin, that one looks, I'll look into that. But you can see it's very strong. You can see all these gains, people trying to buy. And that's why I'm in there. So BNT and IOTA. CEFS, is that on Binance? I don't see it. JNS, I don't see JNS. So it's like, I talk about cryptos that are available worldwide. The penny cryptos I don't like. Reason why? Too high in amount of people who own them. Too many whales could come in and wash you out. And if you guys don't know what a whale is, it's someone with a lot of money who can manipulate the market because this is an unregulated exchange and really fuck you guys up. They know that there's little guys in the market just like us, that people with a few $1,000s, even a few $100s, and they don't care. They do not give a fuck if they steal your money. They don't. This coin that I'm looking at is BNT. It's an exchange coin. It's continually going up. I'm telling you guys this. It's a bull flag pattern. The pattern I've always been discussing. It's literally pure, it's beautiful. A lot like BNT for Binance, yeah. We'll get it. If it comes to Binance, I'll get in. Then Okay, there's another coin like, yeah, Nugent. Is that the coin that looks like Tron? There's one coin that looks like Tron that's coming out that has like almost the same exact name. There's I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it. It's kind of speculative. I wouldn't really be testing the waters with that. The thing I like is that BNT coin. Sorry, I'm just taking some vitamin B. BNT coin has the reason I like BNT coin is because it has utility. Why? A Bancor protocol. Let's do some research, guys. Yes, BNT. So this is BNT. This is the company. It's an exchange, of course, and they exchange very small coins too. So a lot of these coins are not offered on Binance. Some of them are. And I mean, it's a very easy and simple to use exchange. Why I like it is because the coin, look, they got challenges, they've got everything. It's a growing exchange, and with the growth of Binance, okay? And look, they got something different, like relay coins. I'm not sure what that means, but we'll go into depth. The thing I like about these exchange coins is that their basic theory, and if you guys don't know, and why I like Binance, I wish I bought Binance coin way lower and held that because I was on Binance since last month. And I mean, Binance coin was priced at like, when I first saw it was priced at like $7. So if I bought in there, I could have held that thing and made tons of money. But I think it's still a great investment once it consolidates. These coins, if you read the white paper of the Binance coin, which I strongly suggest you do, I strongly suggest you read the white paper for the Binance coin, is that it's used for the development of not only the ecosystem and the growth of Binance itself, it's used for the growth of its owners. They're taking 20% of the profits, okay? And keep in mind, Binance makes fucking money every day. So it doesn't even matter. 20% of the profits every month, and they're burning the coins. They're just burning. Till then it reduces the supply in half. Right now the supply is about 200 million, and the active supply is about 100 million. So imagine 50 million to 100 million, okay? And it's going to happen with these other coins too. So it's going to be like having Apple and Microsoft or something like that, because now you're investing in one of the biggest exchanges. I mean, I can't take a break. I can't really tell you what price is good, what price isn't. For me right now, I'm out of Binance coin. I traded it on the upward movement from right here. Let me go to the advanced section. So I traded this explosive upward. I'll get to Ripple in a second, Joey. I traded this explosive movement, bought around 16, 17, sold at 19, then bought in right here, sold up here. You guys saw that on the stream. And then it took another move just recently, and it's consolidating. So I'm looking, it looks like a little cup and handle, but it could form another U shape and pop back up. But I think Binance coin is a strong coin to invest in because people are going in and out of Binance coin. It's very safe, very effective, and I think it's a great coin. Same with, that's why I'm invested in BNT, the Bancor protocol. Very good exchange. They know what they're doing, and it's the same type of theory. You guys have to understand, there's a trend right now in the market. I'll get to all these coins in a second. There's a trend in the market that I want you guys to understand. You have to know how to read a trend, and the trend is that coins that have to deal with exchanges are going up because that's where people see the real utility right now. Exchange coins are going up because that's where people see the real utility, because exchanges are the ones making money every day, every second, every time each one of their users places a trade. No matter how much, no matter how little. It's just money. The money's coming in. The white papers say it all, and that's why you trade them. Because it's like why drive down a road with no lights? I'm trying to make a theory, an analogy. Okay, it's like going down a river. Would you rather go down a river that doesn't have a ton of tides, or go down a river that has a ton of tides with a shitty boat? I don't know, something like that. You know where it's going, okay? I don't know if they give dividends, but they burn their coins, so that's a dividend in itself, if you ask me. But the Binance white paper, you could just, I wish I bought this at ICO. Oh, there it is. So, Binance white paper. Dude, don't get too greedy with if it's the right price or not. You gotta make you gotta see that people are willing to buy at 21. It's not you determining the prices, and that's what you have to understand when you're trading crypto or stocks. It's the market. And once you find that the market is willing to pay a higher price than even previously before, your price goes out of the water. You buy where you think the market is the least willing to pay for it. That's where you buy, and then you sell where the market is, where the people in the market are willing to pay the highest, and then boom. Thomas, I'm still not sure yet. I'm hearing about like Len coin and this monetization coin, but I'm not really into ICOs because a lot of them are frauds, and that's why if you watch my Russia video right now, it's my recent video. Russia's actually performing some type of currency exchange regulation where they're, you know, keeping tabs on these ICOs so they don't defraud everyone. But you could see if you read the Binance white paper, it's very good. It's very educated, very, you know, like the way they. I wish I bought in. I wish I knew about this a lot earlier, but they know what they're doing. They're very smart, and this is a 10-year project. So their coin is good, yeah. And look, thanks, bro. Thank you, Mustafa. I'm pretty sure you're Arabic, so salam alaikum, marhaba. But basically, look at the Binance coin. It's probably going to break back up to 23. You're going to go, oh, Ferris, crazy, crazy. How do you know? It's just patterns. Look, it did it once. It's going to do it twice, and it's making a higher low. So eventually, it will make a pop up. Great one. My other pick for anyone who's new here, who didn't see what I was talking about, is BNT, which is another exchange coin. Reason why these exchanges won't go anywhere anytime soon, and it's going to go up. Bull flag pattern. I'm in. Yeah, I can't give you a prediction. I'm not here to give you predictions, man. I just base it off patterns and I adapt to that. Like I said before, I'm not here to tell you where to buy and where to sell. That's very unethical and very, you know, it's like a short-term thinking. It's like you give a man a fish, he can eat for a day, or you teach a man how to fish and he can live forever, whatever, something like that. That's saying. That's what I'm trying to promote to you guys. You guys have to think logically and not gamble. Because a lot of you guys, a lot of people in these markets are trying to gamble. And this is why they're feeding. Every YouTuber is feeding all these people on YouTube gambling. They're just gambling. And then when the market crashes, they just go away. What's up, Mohammed? Marhaba. I'm assuming you're Arabic. So, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the chat. Don't gamble in these markets. Be smart, be wise, know what you're doing, know where you're putting your money, because all these YouTubers, you see these titles. Come on, be real with yourself. They go top 10 coins that are gonna go to the moon, or top 10 coins that are gonna be worth $100. No, I don't give a fuck. They're not good. They don't know anything they're talking about. They're just trying to get you in and get that ad money. That's all they care about. Ad money and the revenue. Do they ever show you their trades? Has any YouTuber, any big YouTuber, anybody, have they showed you the trades? They've never showed you any of the trades because they're not trading. They're a bunch of baloney. I'll call them out like they're just baloney. I want to see them show their trades, not just say, "Oh, I bought this coin." But show your trades. If you really bought it, show your trades. What's up, man? Hey, from Ireland. Hey, I want to come out there get some Guinness, man. Just kidding. No, actually, really. But yeah, BNT. These exchange coins are legit because. Why? You're investing not only in, you're not gambling, you're not basing it, one second. What's up, guys? Oh my god, we got people from all over Europe. What's up, Europeans? Welcome. America from Arizona. Basically, why I like these exchange coins, I want you guys to realize one thing, okay? When you're investing in anything, what are you investing in? A lot of these cryptocurrencies have no real use. They're going to be gone in a year, 2 years, whatever. These exchanges are going to be here as long as there's people continue flowing into it. It's a common analysis. You can't think like, oh, well, this exchange might fail. Right now, it's showing strong growth. Okay. What you got to understand is they have ways of making money. Why? Anybody who's trading on these platforms. What's up? Across the pond from England. I'm in Arizona. Basically, what's going on is they're making money every time you buy these currencies, and these coins are used as they're eventually going to be shifted from not trading Bitcoin, not trading Ethereum. You're going to be trading BNB to Ripple, BNB to Bitcoin, BNB. So what's going to happen every time you take your Bitcoin and you cash out? You're going to put it in BNB. How's that going to affect the price? Simple. The supply is going to reduce because now you've added more money, more value into BNB, reducing the supply, the demand going higher as more people join the servers and more people realize the BNB is very strong, that BNT is very strong. You know, Robinhood coin strong, that Q coin is strong. I'm just telling you guys, there's not all these people are talking. They get paid to pump these cryptos. They don't give a fuck. They don't give two shits about you. They don't, because they're getting paid. They get these ICO coins. They have their viewers buy, and then they sell on you. Okay, I'm telling you coins that are legit, reasons why they're legit, and how to analyze them. Like I said, bull flag pattern, a very good pattern to realize. This is what's happening on BNT. Okay, very easy. Like, wow, great pattern. Ferris, how do you know this? It's a bull flag. Like I've been saying, it's legit. It's been bull flagging all the way up, and it shows no signs of slowing down. It's moving up the simple moving average. Why not invest in it, okay? Now, I'm not saying that it's going to go to 50. What I'm saying is it has chances of breaking the high, and I'm a probability guy. I don't say this is going to be true or this is going to be false. This is not cryptocurrency. That's not the market. When you're in a market, you go with a plan. If it's false, you get out, okay? Like anything else. You go with a plan. If it doesn't work, you fail, you move on, and you have another one. You don't cry about it. You go about your day. Same with investing or trading these cryptocurrencies. So why I bought BNT shows strong growth. You could see the increase of volume, and it's good. Okay, so that's BNT, great one. I'm also in IOTA as well. Just because IOTA showing great signs of growth, bull flag, kind of symmetrical triangle. I'll show you. I'll talk about Litecoin in a second. Yeah, dude. Okay, so it looks different. Hold up. Sorry, I'm a shitty speller. I'm not the smartest guy, but I know what I'm doing. So look, this is the same type of pattern. You see that pattern, guys? Does that not look similar? I want to make it clear to you guys. Do these patterns not look almost identical? Same pattern. So what I'm showing you guys is proof in the pudding. Okay, there's shit out here that can make you money. You just got to know what you're looking for. And again, I'm not trying to hate on all these YouTubers, but they don't really give a fuck about you. They're promoting all these cryptos. I've gotten emails from promoters to promote these ICOs, and that's what Crypto Talk is doing. That's what JR Business is doing, because they don't know how to trade. They don't know how to invest. They're all a bunch of BS. And what they want to do is just take free money and ride this train as long as they can go, and then disappear into the darkness once the market crashes. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to just, give you guys solid advice so you can make logical decisions when you trade based off technical analysis, pattern, fundamental analysis, and, real world experience. So that's what I'm trying to push to you guys here. So yeah, that's IOTA. That's my second pick. Why I'm in it. Okay, so Litecoin. I want to talk about Litecoin for a minute because Adam's been on my dick about this for the last minute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys Litecoin on a different perspective. You got to use TradingView. See how many viewers we got in here. Give me a second, boys. Let's see how many viewers. Oh, we got 78. Bet. What up, boys? What up? Yeah, dude, they all get affiliates. I got them too. Like, I'll play an ad. I ain't gonna lie. I got the ad button right here. I'm gonna play an ad on some people, but like, that's just the way I want to make money for my time. But I'm here to provide you well-valued information. Okay, so Litecoin actually looks very strong. I'm actually gonna, Adam, good call on this. Sorry if it might start lagging here. I don't know why it's doing that. Litecoin. This is Litecoin. Very strong one. You could see the upwards parabolic movement with a sideways flag. This one could eventually go back up to 300 because it's forming higher lows. So I like Litecoin. How I draw an analysis and how I form a conclusion with the pattern is very simple. Let's take the highs. Okay, we draw. Okay, you see that? You draw off the corner of the edges because you don't want it. Okay, you don't draw off the peaks. You draw off the edges where it closes. So we start the uptrend from right here. So we could eventually see a breakout on Litecoin, which I think might happen here shortly. So Litecoin might break out soon. The breakout, if you do it off the highs, it could be a little longer in time frame. But Litecoin actually looks like it might break out here. So whoever is in Litecoin, I think you're pretty safe right now, just based off what it's doing. it's kind of like forming a flag. Do you see that, guys? Hope anyone see that? I'm not saying, like, Pike, again, I'm not here to tell you what to buy. I'm here to show you guys how I form my conclusions, and you guys could do that as well and form an analysis. You understand, you don't go and ask people, who should you marry, okay? You got to make that decision for yourself. You ask people for advice, okay? You don't ask people, should I buy a Ferrari or should I buy a Maserati? You ask them for advice, but you know what you want. So same thing with this. Know what you want, but ask for advice. This is not an ascending triangle. This is more of a symmetrical triangle, Adam. But yeah, I'm actually going to move my, I have $30 in CoinBase right now. I'm actually going to move that to Litecoin because that's going to make a big difference here. Let me do that, actually, 1 second. I'm actually going to throw some extra side money into Litecoin. So I'll do that, as you guys can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to move your money around from Coinbase. So I get referral money from Coinbase. And I'm going to deposit that. 215. Deposit. I don't like Tron Verge at all. I like Tron more than Verge. Verge is more of a pump and dump. I suggest just getting that out of your head right now, even if it spikes. Not worth the risk, not worth the time. There's a bunch of whales who are trying to steal your money. So I'm just being honest with you. If you want honesty, if you feel offended by what I said, then go on and go listen to the pumpers on other YouTube channels who want to steal your money or don't give two fucks about you. I'm here to provide valuable information for you guys who want to learn, and then the rest is up to you. So 0021500. So I'm selling my Bitcoin to buy Litecoin. Just 30 bucks. Nothing crazy. 30, 32. So now I have Litecoin. The dark net, man. I don't know. And that's the risk right back. That's the risk. That's the risk. If you're willing to play Verge, what I recommend, my honest opinion, is say you have a portfolio of 100%, okay? Organize that into different cryptos. Safe cryptos, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of these exchange coins. That's how. So I'd categorize it like this, okay? I don't think it's going to overtake Monero. This is what you got to look for, okay? So you have all the good cryptocurrencies. List them out. Least risky to most risky. All of them are pretty risky, but let's say, yeah, I'll explain that in a minute. Igor, I believe that's how you pronounce your name. So what you have to understand is Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Bitcoin, these are all very strong currencies. The second thing is like the riskier and Ripple as well. The riskier currencies are Tron, Verge, all these things, but take move your percentages into different coins, okay? If one coin's moving, shift it into another coin and do it as that. No, it doesn't. Okay, what do I think about, dude, I don't know, some of these forks I don't even know. I go where the trend is going. I don't know about I heard about waves, I'm not too sure about it. Why Litecoin? No, look, Litecoin is confirming a great pattern here, symmetrical triangle. Again, I show proof in the pudding. Like always, symmetrical triangle on Litecoin is very simple pattern, and I think it's about to do a break up, not a breakdown, but it could do a breakdown. But since it's forming higher highs, it's going to have somewhat of a pattern like that. Look at that. You see that? Anyone else see something similar to me? I'm not just saying some BS. That's where I see Litecoin going. It could potentially pop up, and we might see a Bitcoin run. It's been consolidating great for 1 month. So I transferred my $30 of Litecoin into Bitcoin. I bought my Sir Squatch. I can't tell you when to buy or sell. Again, I don't make your decisions for you. You're a man. You should make your own decisions, because you don't ask me to go, tell you what girl you should fuck. You make that decision for yourself. So same thing with what you're investing in. If you don't, scared money don't make money. That's one thing I want to push to you guys. Scared money don't make money. I want to also discuss Bitcoin Diamond. This thing went berserk. You could see that it's still going to pump. I don't think Bitcoin Diamond is done. Wow. Dude, I can't even load Bitcoin Diamond. Dude, look at this, guys. Are you guys seeing this? Am I just tripping? Or, like, dude, I can't even load. I've never heard of... I've saw Polynex. I've never jumped into that. I can't even load this. Dude, guys, dude, oh my god. Thanks, Six Figure. Dude, yeah, Bitcoin Diamond's not even, oh my god. Fuck. Wow. Look how slow this is. Dude, it just jumped. What? What? It just jumped $6. And literally, after that. Oh my god. Dude, guys, this jumped $6 just in that second. Alright, well, that's, bro, what's up with these ads? I got 6 already. Adam, gotta make chip. I'm gonna keep busting ads on you. Can't see because your 4K screen is too scaled out, down, zoomed in a bit. What do you mean? Does it look good? Okay, well, I can't use Binance for a Bitcoin Diamond. It's just not working. Dude, do you keep getting ads, Jacob? My bad. I don't know why I keep sending ads. Well, it makes me cash, I'm not gonna lie, but that's all I'm gonna push to you guys. I'm not gonna promote coins. I'll just throw an ad up. I'm fucking with you. But yeah, so, dude, if someone has ad block, they're chilling. It's if I click this play ad button. Can't read text, just zoom in a bit, pal. Okay, 1 second. Guys, I gotta change out of this sweater. I'm sweating. 1 sec. That's better. I'm watching. Oh, dude, you're watching on TV. That's why. Okay, so actually, MADA looks great for a pump. If anyone's into that one. There we go. So MADA looking good. Potentially run back to test high days. Again, I am in. Wow, Bitcoin Diamond just keeps going. This thing is scary, man. I low-key just want to gamble on this one, but then again, I'm not a gambler, so don't click it then, bud. Dude, Jacob, come on, man. Makes me cash. Yeah, this is it's a Ripple strip. Dude, actually, Bitcoin Diamond looks like it might trend up. I can't believe this is going like this. It might. I think Bitcoin Diamond might try to hit 1,000 just because Bitcoin did. So I'm kind of interested. Let's check out the buyers and sellers. I don't know. Bitcoin Diamond is sketchy. Again, though, I am in IOTA. There we go. IOTA trending back up. I am a football fan. I am a big-time football fan. See? Barca all the way. Barca all the way. Alright, big-time football fan. I also like the Giants, but we're ass in American football. Anyway, IOTA's my first pick. Why? Because it's a great coin. It's consolidated very well. Yo, Amazon Jacob, you can get one. Another good coin that I'm in is BNT. Reason why is that it's a bull flag, and that's why I like it. So those are my picks. I gotta actually go to work here shortly. I think I have work at 3. I wanted to get on live to real football. I'm a Giants fan, man. Even though they suck dick, I'm a Giants fan. Nah, fuck Real Madrid, bro. Yeah, Messi is God. Literally. But yeah, so right now, some hot picks for you guys that have potential. I'm not trying to tell you guys what coins to buy or sell. That's not my job. Ripple. Let me talk about Ripple. So Ripple is consolidating very well. Ripple had the crazy run, and now a lot of people are getting very anxious. What should they do with their money? Ripple is doing very well. Look at this pattern. Ascending triangle. Let me end the thing about Ripple, because a lot of people have been asking me. Come on. Okay, so you could see Ripple. This is how I have the chart analyzed. So if I zoom in here, you could see it had ascending triangle breakout, and it's doing the same pattern, okay? Look how identical this is, but over-exaggerated. It comes up, so it came up here and went to the side. Here it came up, went to the side, and then spiked up again and then crashed, doing the same pattern. Literally almost identical. Comes down and bounces. Now it's pushing to the side like it did here. It spiked up, wedging. We're going to see it wedge and try to hit this peak of the triangle. We'll probably see it wedge by the 19th, and you can see when you freaking do technical analysis, you can predict when it's gonna happen, and make have an idea of when it's gonna happen, when the breakout's gonna happen. So I expect the breakout to happen here January 19th. About a month after the first breakout. So you can see it's been a month, and that's what you have to understand with these coins. So that's how you have to chart it. It's forming a wedge, a rising wedge, and it's going to break out and probably push to 3, that's where I look to invest around the 18th, 19th. But right now, I have my money in BNT and IOTA because as of now, I think they can offer me great returns. And you can see that I'm in these coins, 2,230. I got coins in IOTA. I got coins in Bancor. No bullshit. I keep it real with you guys. I don't want you guys to follow my picks. I want you guys to learn how I make technical analysis, how I learn how to trade and why I trade, and doing all that good stuff. But yeah, Ripple, very good coin because of its utility. Banks are using it. Money's flowing in. Like I said yesterday, it's like the Nile River. Would you rather plant in the Sahara Desert or the Nile River? 10 times out of 10, Nile River, because there's money flowing in. The soil's fertile. You got water, you got sun, you got all that good stuff. So that's why I believe in Ripple. Again, Bitcoin, Litecoin, all those are strong just because they're known and they have good use. IOTA as well because it's in the top 10, and a lot of these exchange coins are very good. XLM, we'll do a look at that one. So XLM the pattern is bearish, honestly. I want to see XLM start to make a push, but it pushes up with Ripple. So once Ripple moves, XLM will move. So you gotta wait for you gotta see if this this peak up here can reverse and go back up. That's what I see with XLM. But again, XLM ran from 15 cents all the way to 90 cents, which is nuts. So that was a huge move, and it has to consolidate. Big picks for me right now are Binance Coin for the next month or so with the growing broker and the growing exchange. No problem, guys. I'm here to provide you with real useful information. None of the bullshit that other YouTubers have. So I really do appreciate you guys joining my channel and sharing my content, and spread it around on Facebook to your family so you can really understand what you're investing in and what the competition's looking like. Because all these people on YouTube are frauds. I'm not saying all of them. I'm saying a good amount. They get paid promotions. All they have is buy this coin, top 10 coins that will make you rich. Does Binance allow you to sell crypto before your wallet received it? No, your wallet has to receive your cryptocurrency. You have to have your coin in Binance. Thanks, Jacob. I appreciate it. Welcome to the family. But basically, I want to provide you guys with Cardano scalability. Cardano's a good one. We could talk about that later, but yeah, I want to be honest. Yeah, I'm always honest. I know you guys appreciate that, but basically, Cardano is good, but I don't see it really topping Ethereum anytime soon. You got to see where the market is going. Ethereum is growing right now. You can see that with Ethereum Classic. It's just in the chart. So understand where the majority is going. Don't try to predict where they will be in a month or two, because that's not where the money is now. So you understand that type of theory. That type of thinking is very, very effective and very strong when you're coming to conclusions on any type of cryptocurrency. Do you think you invest in coins that just emerge? I don't invest in coins that just emerge. I invest in coins that have strength. So if you invested in, Ethereum down here, this had a very bullish breakout, and it's bull flagging up again, and I guarantee Ethereum will eventually hit $2,000. Why? Because it's bull flagging. Literally, when I tell you guys bull flags are legit, they're fucking happening every day. Every single day we have a bull flag. Learn the pattern. Watch my video. I'll make a series on patterns to look for in cryptocurrency. If that's something you guys want, let me know. Yeah, so Cardano is a long-term one. I suggest with those type of currencies, put 5% of your full capital. Next live will probably be tomorrow. I have work right now, and then I'm hanging out with the female, so wish me not. I'm just kidding. No, but for real. Make sure you understand that these markets are long-term. Understand that you're investing in something that you want to see being used next year, the year after, and after that. Thanks, Aaron. I'm glad you appreciate that. A lot of people really haven't seen it because all they want is what top 10 cryptocurrencies that make you rich. I guarantee if I made a video like that, dude, Casey, get the hell out of here, man. Oh, let me kick this dude. Loser. Okay, basically, thanks for Right Back Productions. Basically, what I want you guys to look for is patterns that work. Patterns are basically psychological indicators of where the market's heading. That's all it is. That's what a candle is. You're reading humans. You're reading emotions. They're not just a screen. It's where your buddy Jimmy's buying. It's where Sal. It's where all these people are buying. So you follow the trend and you make money and you sell on top of the sheep who or the suckers who want to buy at that 500% price. So I just wanted to let you guys know. If you guys, I'll keep a series. I'll probably start going with a series on good patterns to look for. I know the bull flag one was good. I just want you guys to know no bullshit is ever like talked about on this channel. I talk to you about real useful information, and that's what I'm here to do. I do make money off advertisements. I make money off referrals. I'm just being honest. I'll never promote a coin to you guys. All I do is simply tell you guys how I look at the market, how I trade, how I invest in my mindset when I'm looking at a certain cryptocurrency, if it's investment, if it's a swing, if it's a trade. I'm not here to say Verge is going to go to the moon. What about the Dubai coin? Interesting, Mr. Ban. 1 second. Dubai coin, I mean, I'm Middle Eastern, so... What the hell? Wait. Dubai coin, what is this, man? How do I buy this? Electronium, I heard about it. I haven't really looked into it, but I'm interested in this Dubai coin. How do I buy this Dubai coin? I don't know. We'll see. We'll look into that later. But yeah, I just think you gotta follow the right people. Be smart. Know what you're looking for. Follow good YouTubers like myself. I know what I'm providing to you guys, and I need to get Cryptopia. And just call out all these suckers who are trying to sell you shit that it's not worth it. So we can see. Play an ad right here. Enjoy the ad. Arabian Chain. I might look into that one, but yeah, just look for things that have growth. And that's really it, guys. I got to go to work. I got work in 30 minutes, so I'm going to have to go. I wanted to say what's up to everyone. Thank you for joining the stream. Shouts out to all the, let's see how many people we got in here. 100 people watching. I thank you dearly for spending time with me. It really does mean a lot. We'll play one more ad to get the show on the road, but great content. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and family. This is what I'm trying to provide. I'm trying to do these live streams on a daily so I can not teach you guys, but more, there's that fucking commercial. Yep, Jacob, I'm going to commercial that shit out of this. I'm just kidding. I'm going to provide you with real information. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to provide you an outlook on how you can look at your investments in cryptocurrency to eventually, merge into a congruent market where there's incongruent bastards out there who are trying to sell you shit coins that you shouldn't waste your money on. So make sure to invest wisely. Make sure to research, read the white papers, and be smart. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Love you guys. Have a great Saturday night. Don't get in too much trouble. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.